Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, lived a unique creature named Killer Moth. But don't let the name scare you. Killer Moth was known for her kindness, not her strength. One sunny morning, Killer Moth woke up from her cozy cocoon, stretched her wings, and decided to explore the town. She fluttered around, saying hello to her friends, the butterflies, bees, and ladybugs. As she flew over the park, she noticed something unusual. A little bird had fallen from its nest and was scared. Killer Moth felt a wave of sympathy. She knew she had to help. With a gentle touch, she picked up the bird and carried it to the nearest tree. She found the bird's nest, high up on a branch, and carefully placed the bird inside. The little bird chirped thankfully. Killer Moth felt happy that she could help a friend in need. She flew back home, feeling the warm sun on her wings, and settled back into her cozy cocoon, ready for a good night's sleep. The next morning, the little bird came to say thank you to Killer Moth. From that day on, they became the best of friends, always looking out for each other. And that's the wonderful story of Killer Moth, who taught us that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. So, remember, be kind to everyone, just like Killer Moth. Good night and sweet dreams.